So guys, first come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then click to search button and then type your model number of motherboard B760 DS3H Wi-Fi 6E generations 5, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then select your operating system. I am using Windows 11, so if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and install driver because installations process same. Okay, Bluetooth, you can see here this is Bluetooth driver, and just click to download. After, you can see here Bluetooth driver install download, then just single click to install. This is exe, just double click to open, then click to yes. Now you can see here the extracting to Bluetooth driver for the installation. Wait few seconds, it will complete, so automatically close it. Then it is closed, means done.